Always exit the pool and then rinse your equipment completely assembled with the air on, like so. Flush it around. Then rinsed off. Pull it out. Then you turn the air off. Closing the valve. Purge one of the second stages. It doesn't matter which one, but hold the button down as you loosen the yoke screw. The yoke screw should not be tight. Somebody crank down on that. When you crank down on the yoke screw, you crush the O-ring. Dry the dust cap. You can do it by blowing on it, you can blast it with a little bit of air from your tank, or you can go get your towel to dry it with and secure the dust cap in place. That is one of the most important things to always remember. Then, you're going to coil your regulator, hang it around your neck. Make sure you're supporting the BC with one hand while you manipulate the tank straps with the other, and it will slide right off the tank. Lay your tank down so it doesn't roll anywhere, and then lay your BC down on its back. Pull the tails in nice and snug so that the shoulder straps are as short as possible, and then you're going to cross the tails and run them under the shoulder straps like so. Then secure the tails behind the BC like so. Okay. Now, you want to make sure that there's no water inside the air cell. So at this point, now that it's all done up and easy to deal with, hold it upside down, blow up the air cell, shake the water down into this hose, and then drain it out. Once that's done, put the hanger into the harness like so that the hook is pointed to the right, and then you drop your regulator right over the top, pick up your tank, and walk into the locker. Follow me. Make sure that the tank is on one of these yellow dots. We want rows of 4 coming all the way back with the tank valve pointed in that direction. Then you're going to check your BC and make sure you know which number it is. This is 327. The number is stamped into the plate right here. 327. Look for 327. And put it right there.